I have already made a detailed video on the Hyundai Kia's Group 10.25-inch touchscreen system. So if you have not checked out that video till yet, then do check out that video first. I am putting the link in the I button. And in this video, I am going to tell you all about the 8-inch infotainment screen of the Hyundai Creta and Kia Seltos, which comes in the lower variant of both the cars. So let's get started right away. Hello and welcome to the hub for motor enthusiasts, Motor Hub, where we bring videos related to automobile only. So if you will see, then this screen can be divided into two parts. In the 10.25-inch screen, it can be divided into three parts, but this screen can be divided into two parts. And this is not all digital unit. This gets this 8-inch touchscreen along with the shortcut buttons. If you will see, then here you get this piano black finish on this part, and this is now covered. Here is the volume control, and this is to tune through the radio. There is a track control. This is the shortcut to go into the setup function. Let me again go back to home, and here is the favorite buttons. There is the media control, there is the radio control, and here is the control to go into setting. Here is again another shortcut. If I will press this display off, then the display will get off. Then there is the menu button, there is the back button, there is the settings button, then there is to go into phone. If I will connect the Bluetooth, then if I am going to phone, now there is no connection with the Bluetooth. Once you connect the Bluetooth, then only the phone option will come. Here is the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. If you want to get the manual of this car, then just press here and just scan this QR code. You will be directly able to get the manual of the car. Again, let me go back to the all menu. Here is the voice memo, here is the radio, here is the settings, and here is the signature Hyundai Kia Group's DRVM. If once you will put the parking brake down, and then only you will be able to access the DRVM. There is the settings. If I will go into the settings, then you will see there is sound setting. If you want to set speed dependent volume control, the advanced sound setting, then the position where you actually want the sound to listen, then the volume levels is over here, phone projection volume level, then the system sound volume level, you can control that from this part as well, from this setting. Again, let me go back to sound. There is the equalizer, there is the volume ratio, means the volume limitation on startup, then the proximity warning. If you want to control this beep sound, then you can turn on it off. If you will, again I will show you. I have turned off the beep, and here you can see there is no more beep sound, and again I have turned it on, then again the beep sound is back. This is to connect your Bluetooth device into the system. Then here is the vehicle setting. Here you get different vehicle setting. Like here is the climate setting, internal air circulation, on fluid use, automatic ventilation, auto dehumidifier. If anyone knows what is actually auto dehumidifier, then please do comment down below. Then again let me go back. Here is the vehicle setting. I have already shown you the vehicle setting. There is the display setting, the auto illumination, the brightness, the blue light, the screen saver, the dimming function of the display can be controlled from here, can be set from here. Then here is the button, means this particular button you can set what. If you want home, then let me press this button, I am back to the home. Again let me show you, I am pressing this button, I am back to the home. So you can set what you actually want with this button, what you want this button to do. And if you have selected none, then this will not of any use. You can select many things. You can put DRVM, you can put Bluetooth audio, phone projection, etc. There is the steering wheel mode button. So actually this mode button, where you want to go. Like if I am choosing USB music, then if I am pressing it, you will see there is no media source available, so it will be not changing any media. There is a general setting which includes the version info and update, the system info, the Bluetooth remote lock, date and time, language, keyboard, and all that. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you love this video, do give it the like button, do share it among your friends and relatives, and also do not forget to visit our website carandbikeinfo.com, whose link I have provided in the description box below. And also do follow us on Telegram at MotorHub, whose link is also provided in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video once again. Bye bye.